Hi guys, this is Santosh from your Smart Tech. It's a pleasure to meet you guys after a long time, right? So in this video, we'll be taking a quick look on the unboxing and the review of the Samsung Galaxy M30s. So Samsung has started its M series a long time ago, and it's continuously producing the mobiles, and it will keep producing the mobiles. And in this video, we're going to take a quick look on the M30s. And I have collabed with Sinha. He's a great gadget reviewer. You have to check him out. He don't want to show his face, so let's listen to his audio. And what I love about this mobile is it's 6000 mAh. You can't believe that because it's amazing. Because this time Samsung has not greatly focused on the camera thing. Because Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, all those companies always focus on camera. But now they are focused on the battery that is unique. So in this video, we'll be taking a quick look on that only. That is the M30s. So without any time, let's get started. I'm Santosh from Your Smart Tech and he's Sinha. So let's get started. Do it unique.
So here's the Samsung Galaxy M30s, the smartphone with triple rear cameras and a massive 6000 mAh battery. We've got the sapphire blue color variant today with 6GB of RAM and 128GB inbuilt storage that is priced at Rs 16,999. Inside the box you get the smartphone itself along with some accessories. Here's the white color standard wall charger, and this is the USB data transfer cable. Unfortunately, you don't get anything else inside the box. There are no earphones as well. Like we said, this variant costs Rs 16,999, but you can also go for the more affordable Rs 13,999 variant that has 4GB of RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage. Samsung has done a pretty good job with Galaxy M30s. The smartphone, despite having a large 6000 mAh battery, seems lightweight. It's compact and someone with average size hands can use it single-handedly without flexing their thumbs. You get a fingerprint sensor at the back with power buttons and volume buttons on the sides which are easily approachable. The sapphire blue color variant looks good with not so loud gradient mix. If you want a more subtle looking version, you can go for the opal black variant. The polycarbonate backside, however, might be a letdown for some. Samsung Galaxy M30s has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution, which looks like a fairly decent mix. The screen is bright and shows saturated colors, something we haven't seen in a while in smartphones in this price segment. There's an Infinity U notch on top and a small chin at the bottom, but that will grow on you over time. The smartphone is powered by Exynos 9611, which is a fairly new and a capable processor. The handset runs One UI based on Android 9 Pie that's easy to understand and navigate. You get the basic set of pre-installed Samsung apps along with Google apps as well. To know exactly how powerful the smartphone is and how it performs in real life, cameras is one of the highlights of Galaxy M30s. There are 3 rear cameras this time, including a 48MP primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide sensor and a 5MP depth sensor. The handset is claimed to deliver improved night shots and more detailed images in daylight. With a dedicated depth sensor, the device is also claimed to deliver precise portrait shots. In the front, you get a 16MP selfie camera with in-display flash. There is a dedicated live focus mode as well. The massive 6000 mAh battery in the Galaxy M30s is something Samsung is pulling off for the first time. The handset is claimed to run for 2 days straight on an average use. So even if you are a heavy user, you can forget your power bank for a day, come back home and will still be left with some battery life. We will talk more about the battery performance of this smartphone in real life usage.
So you can check him out. There's Sinha and different websites. So he had own website called simha.com. I don't currently know what he changed the name, but he told me that. So he told about himself a lot. He's a great gadget reviewer. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm the one who did the M30s review very badly, I think so. But he did it, it was nice actually. The main thing what I love in this phone is the battery and the display. So whatever I see, what all phones I keep telling it about display, because I select phones which have great display, like about this, not about the size but about the quality of it. So that's all. So thanks for this, you guys. Remember, like, share and subscribe our channel. Signing up is Santosh from your Smart Tech. Again, do it unique. Ft.Sinha, do it unique.